My name is Hans Peabody, and this is my show.
Hashtag Cleveland, hashtag I'm home. Hashtag I love little puppies. Hashtag King James, hashtag 2 rings.
Hashtag Michael Jordan has 6.
And in that moment, do you know what Jesus' last words were? It is finished. What did he finish? He finished a promise that he gave to man over 2,000 years ago before that. He finished his end of the bargain and ours for us, because he knew in that moment when he looked at Abraham and made that covenant, he's looking at a little speck of dust, a little piece of sand, something he could just flick and blow into nothingness. But he looked at that, and it was his creation, and he loved it. And he said, I love you so much. I will not only keep my end of the bargain, but I'm going to keep yours for you too. And what we did to these animals, you can do to me. And that's exactly what we did to Jesus Christ when he came and lived among us. We tore his body.